Tired of heavy lunches slowing you down? Let's flip the script with quick, tasty meals that fuel your body and trim your waistline. That midday slump after lunch? It's a sign your food is working against you. You deserve to feel sharp and energetic all day. And it starts with what you eat. Most lunches pack more calories than you need, but the right swaps can boost your energy and help you lose weight. Here are 5 power-packed meals. Delicious, low-calorie, and perfect for a busy schedule. Grab your apron and let's get cooking. Your transformation starts now. Let's be honest, most of us have reached for that greasy takeaway at lunchtime, hoping for a quick fix. But what if you could swap that heavy, sluggish feeling for something vibrant, energizing, and just as easy to prepare? It's time to ditch the fast food habit and treat yourself to a meal that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Enter the spicy grilled shrimp quinoa bowl, a powerhouse lunch that's bursting with flavor, color, and nutrition. This isn't just another salad. It's a complete meal that will keep you satisfied and focused all afternoon. Start by marinating your shrimp in a blend of olive oil, smoked paprika, chili flakes, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. The paprika and chili give the shrimp a smoky, spicy kick, while the lime brightens everything up. Grill the shrimp for just a couple of minutes on each side. Watch as they turn perfectly pink and slightly charred, locking in all that flavor. Meanwhile, cook your quinoa in vegetable broth instead of water. This simple swap infuses the grains with a savory depth that plain water just can't match. Once it's fluffy and tender, fluff it up with a fork to keep it light and airy. Now let's add some crunch and color. Dice up crisp red onion, juicy cherry tomatoes, cool cucumber, and a handful of fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. These veggies not only add texture and brightness, but they also pack in vitamins and antioxidants to keep you feeling your best. For the finishing touch, whip up a quick lime vinaigrette. Just whisk together olive oil, fresh lime juice, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and season with salt and pepper. This zesty dressing ties all the flavors together and gives the bowl a refreshing lift. To assemble, start with a generous scoop of quinoa as your base. Arrange the colorful veggies around the edge, nestle the spicy grilled shrimp right in the center, and finish with a drizzle of that homemade vinaigrette. The result? A bowl that looks as good as it tastes. This meal is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with lean protein from the shrimp, fiber-rich quinoa, and healthy fats from the olive oil. It's the kind of lunch that fuels your body and mind, helping you power through your afternoon without the dreaded energy crash. And here's the best part. Meal prep is a breeze. You can cook the shrimp, quinoa, and chop the veggies ahead of time. Store everything separately in containers, and when you're ready to eat, just assemble and dress your bowl in minutes. It's perfect for busy work days or when you need a grab-and-go lunch. Not only is this bowl efficient and delicious, but it also leaves you feeling light, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. No more post-lunch sluggishness or food comas. Just clean, sustained energy. When you compare this vibrant homemade bowl to the usual fried combo meal, the difference is clear. You're not just upgrading your lunch, you're upgrading your entire day. Give it a try just once, and you'll see how easy it is to make healthy choices that actually taste amazing. You might even find yourself looking forward to lunch more than ever before. This is how you fuel your ambition. One delicious, nourishing bowl at a time. Make the switch and discover just how good healthy can taste. Next, swap heavy creamy comfort food for lentil and veggie power soup. Start with a mirepoix, onion, carrots, celery, sautéed in olive oil. Add brown or green lentils, garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and thyme. Pour in broth and diced tomatoes, then simmer until lentils are tender. Stir in spinach or kale at the end for a vitamin boost. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. This soup is thick, hearty, and filling, without the calories or guilt. High fiber keeps you full and energized for hours. Make a big batch on Sunday. It tastes even better the next day. Portion it out for easy, healthy lunches all week. Ditch the calorie bombs. Embrace real comfort. Hearty, low-calorie, and nourishing. This is comfort done right. Tired of the same old uninspired sandwiches for lunch? If you find yourself staring at a bland sandwich day after day, wishing for something more exciting, you're not alone. It's easy to fall into a lunchtime rut, but there's a delicious way out. Meet your new favorite lunch, Thai peanut chicken lettuce wraps. These wraps are bursting with flavor, color, and texture, and they're guaranteed to wake up your taste buds and make lunchtime something you actually look forward to. Start by sautéing diced chicken breast or thigh in a non-stick skillet. Cook the chicken until it's golden and cooked through, letting it develop a bit of caramelization for extra flavor. You can season the chicken with a pinch of salt and pepper or even a dash of garlic powder to build a savory base. While the chicken cooks, whip up a quick and creamy peanut sauce. In a bowl, combine smooth peanut butter, a splash of soy sauce for umami depth, and a bit of rice vinegar for tangy brightness. Add honey for a touch of sweetness, freshly grated ginger and minced garlic for zing, and a squirt of sriracha for just the right amount of heat. Whisk everything together until smooth and glossy. For the wraps, choose crisp lettuce leaves. Iceberg or butter lettuce are perfect because they're sturdy enough to hold all the fillings, yet tender and refreshing. Lay out the leaves and get ready to fill them with vibrant, nutritious ingredients. Add a handful of shredded carrots for crunch and color, sliced cucumber for coolness, scallions for a mild onion bite, and plenty of fresh cilantro for a burst of herbal flavor. Don't forget a sprinkle of chopped peanuts on top. They add a satisfying crunch and a nutty finish that ties everything together beautifully. The best part? These wraps are totally customizable. Set out all the fillings and let everyone build their own wrap. It's a fun, interactive meal that's perfect for sharing with coworkers, friends, or family. Finish each wrap with a squeeze of fresh lime juice. The citrusy tang brightens up the flavors and makes every bite pop with freshness. These Thai peanut chicken lettuce wraps are light yet filling, packed with lean protein from the chicken and plenty of fiber from all the veggies. They're a balanced meal that will keep you energized and satisfied all afternoon. Meal prepping these wraps is a breeze. Simply store the cooked chicken, peanut sauce, chopped veggies, and lettuce leaves in separate containers. This keeps everything fresh and crisp until you're ready to eat. When lunchtime rolls around, just assemble your wrap in minutes. No soggy bread, no wilted greens, just fresh, vibrant flavors and textures every time. Compared to a typical sandwich, these lettuce wraps are much lower in calories and carbs, but they're so much more exciting. You get all the satisfaction of a hearty meal, without the heaviness or the afternoon slump. They're perfect for busy workdays, meal prep, or anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. Crunchy, flavorful, and smart. These wraps check all the boxes. Make a batch at the start of the week, and you'll have a grab-and-go lunch that's anything but boring. You can even switch up the veggies or add extras like bell peppers or shredded purple cabbage for variety. Once you try these Thai peanut chicken lettuce wraps, you'll never miss the bread. Say goodbye to boring lunches and hello to a fresh, flavorful, and energizing meal that will keep you coming back for more. Beat the afternoon slump with Berry Oat Energy Jars. Use rolled oats and chia seeds for slow-release energy and fiber. Add a mix of berries, fresh or frozen, for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Layer with Greek yogurt and your choice of milk for creaminess and protein. Flavor with vanilla, cinnamon, and a touch of honey or maple syrup if needed. Assemble in jars oats and chia, berry compote, yogurt, more berries, repeat. Let them sit overnight in the fridge, ready to grab and go. When cravings hit, reach for this instead of a candy bar. You get sustained energy, protein, and fiber, not a sugar crash. Prep a few jars for the week and stay on track. Delicious, satisfying, and smart snacking. Treat yourself without cheating yourself. Craving noodles? You're not alone. Noodles are the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a midday pick-me-up or a satisfying lunch break. But instead of reaching for the usual greasy takeout, why not treat yourself to something that's just as delicious, but so much better for you? Skip the greasy takeout and make spicy veggie soba noodles. This homemade version is not only packed with flavor, but it's also loaded with nutrients and vibrant colors that will brighten up your lunch hour. Start by cooking soba noodles. These Japanese buckwheat noodles are higher in protein and fiber than regular pasta, making them a smart choice for sustained energy. They cook quickly, in just a few minutes, so you can have a wholesome base for your meal in no time. While the noodles cook, prep a rainbow of thinly sliced veggies. The more colors you add, the more nutrients and antioxidants you'll get in every bite. Slice up crisp bell peppers and sweet carrots. These add crunch, color, and a natural sweetness that balances the spicy dressing. Add in fresh snow peas and shelled edamame for a boost of plant-based protein and a satisfying bite. These veggies not only taste great, but they also help keep you full and energized throughout the afternoon. Keep your veggies raw for maximum crunch, or lightly blanch them if you prefer a softer texture. Either way, you'll lock in their vibrant color and nutrients, making your bowl as healthy as it is beautiful. Now let's make a quick, zesty dressing. In a small bowl, combine savory soy sauce and nutty sesame oil. These two ingredients form the base of a classic Asian-inspired dressing that's both rich and aromatic. Add a splash of rice vinegar and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for tang and brightness. This combination wakes up your taste buds and balances the richness of the noodles. For a kick of heat and a burst of freshness, stir in sriracha and freshly grated ginger. Adjust the amount of sriracha to suit your spice preference, just a little for warmth, or more for a fiery punch. Once your soba noodles are cooked, rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process and keep them from sticking. Then, toss the noodles with your colorful veggies and the bold, spicy dressing until everything is evenly coated. Finish your bowl with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for crunch and a nutty aroma, plus a handful of fresh herbs. Try chopped cilantro or mint for a burst of freshness that takes this dish to the next level. The result? A vibrant, light, and flavor-packed noodle bowl that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Every bite is a mix of spicy, tangy, and savory notes, with plenty of crunch from the veggies. This recipe is perfect for meal prep. Just keep the noodles, veggies, and dressing in separate containers until you're ready to eat. That way, everything stays fresh and crisp. Serve your spicy veggie soba noodles cold or at room temperature, no microwave needed. It's a refreshing, energizing lunch that's ready whenever you are. Satisfy your noodle craving without the heaviness or sluggish feeling that comes from takeout. This dish is healthy, convenient, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for busy days at the office or a quick lunch at home. Make spicy veggie soba noodles your new go-to for a quick, energizing lunch that will keep you feeling light, satisfied, and ready to take on the rest of your day. Small swaps like these save calories, boost your energy, and transform your body. It's not about deprivation, it's about making smart, delicious choices. Prep these 5 meals in just a couple of hours and set yourself up for a week of success. Stop letting your schedule be an excuse. Make your health a true priority. Hit subscribe for more easy weight loss recipes and share your favorite meal swap in the comments below. I want to hear how you're transforming your lunch and your life. Let's cook.